Hi guys, it's me, Emer. I'm from Dundalk, but I don't have the classic Dundalk accent. And people often say to me, they say, Emer, where do you actually come from? And the answer is, money. A few weeks ago I was having champagne sandwiches with my friend Joe. Like Biden? And Joe said to me, he said, Emer, I've been hanging out with these Irish government officials. And I've learned some Gaelic. I've learned that the word for slug and the word for snail is one and the same. Shalaja. Isn't that amazing? And I was like, yeah, Joe, it is amazing. It's almost as if the government officials don't give a fuck whether we have homes or not. And you'll notice something, Joe, you'll notice. The bigger the shell, the slimier the cunt.
Across the